Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at filtration, which is a way of separating mixtures that are made from a liquid with a solid portion mixed in. So anytime you have a liquid and it's got little chunks of solid in it, filtration is the way that we separate that mixture. And we do this by using, most often in the lab, by using what's called filter paper, which you can see here. It's very much like a coffee filter, and it's just a piece of paper. Hopefully I can't show you on this camera because if I hold the paper up close it just blocks off the camera. But if you grab one of these papers in class and look at it very, very closely, you'll see that it's made from a bunch of fibers, and these fibers connect together. It's almost like lacing together. Think of your fingers lacing together like that. And there are tiny little holes that leaves. The liquid can pass through the holes while the solid gets caught in them. So what happens is as you pour the mixture through the filter, the liquid drips out the bottom and the solid gets stuck in the top. And I'm going to show you how to set this up real quick. Take an Erlenmeyer flask, nice flat bottom so we can set it down. And then we have funnels. So you can just take one of the funnels, put it in the top, and what you're going to do is take the filter paper and actually put the filter paper in the funnel. Now in order to do this you have to do a little bit of origami to fold the filter paper so that it'll fit in there. Here's what you do. You take the filter paper, fold it in half. So now it should look kind of like a taco. And then you're going to take that and you fold it in half again, but don't fold it so that it matches perfectly. You want one side to stick out a little bit more than the other side. You can see where this back part sticks out a little bit more. You actually want that. And also when you fold it, don't make the creases really, really sharp. That is, don't fold this down as hard as you can. The reason being is that when you do that, you'll actually damage the filter paper and make a place where the solid filtrate can fall through. So now that we've got it like this, we folded it again. What you want to do is take that back half that's kind of bigger and take just one piece of the filter paper. It's folded so that you should see 4 pieces on the end. Take one piece and fold it back, and then take your fingers and kind of carve that out, and it'll make a shape that is very much like the cone of your funnel. And then you can just set that directly down into your funnel, and it should fit almost perfectly in there. Now the problem is that when I let go of this, that filter paper pops back out. But as soon as you pour the mixture in there and this gets wet, once it's wet it'll stick to the funnel and it will work quite nicely. So again, the whole idea with filtration is that you're taking this barrier, the filter paper, that has holes in it, where the liquid part of the mixture will pass right through and the solid part of the mixture will be caught in the filter itself. So again, you just pour the mixture in here. Don't let it overflow the filter, so you'll have to give it some time to sink through. You'll get the liquid here and the solid here. And typically what's done is that after you have passed the entire mixture through that, you'll take the filter paper out and you'll allow that to dry so that you're letting whatever liquid was involved evaporate off of there, and the solid that you're left with should be just the filtrate, the solid part of the mixture.